Okay. I just gave Sammy a bag with a dead moth in it. What is that? What is it? I don't want it. Don't touch me with it. What are you doing? That's a dead moth. Ew. Ew. What is it? Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? Get it back! Get back! I don't want it! Now it's on the floor. There's the dead moth. And there's the bug girl. Sammy the bug girl. What is that?
Baby.
That's right, it's a buggy. What are you gonna do with it? Ah! Get back! Ah! She threw it on me! Now it's on your foot. Let me see that foot action again. Get it! Ah, now it's on your foot! Ew! It was on your foot. Put it in the trash can. Whoa! Is it in there? Is it in there? Good job! High five! Sammy! Yeah, leave it in there though. High five, bug girl. High five. Good girl. Can you say hi, Papa? Give a kiss. Thank you. Bye-bye.